Hi everyone, Oleg Tkach here with your weekly rate update and all eyes on the Fed this week after two inflation reports came out the previous weeks that really showed higher inflation, and overall investors looking at this Fed meeting, looking at it as a meeting where the Fed was really going to reset the stage of what they're going to do with rates for the rest of the year. When the Fed met, they actually almost dismissed the inflation reports. They didn't make it a big deal at all. They said that definitely the next Fed meeting, they're not even thinking about raising rates at all, which was really good because there were starting to be talks about the Fed possibly having to hike more. And they were talking about how the next move is definitely not going to be a hike, that the Fed was expecting higher inflation due to housing, but at the same time, they expect it to come down. With that said, after the Fed meeting, which was very rate positive. And that's the thing, is you never know when you go into these Fed meetings, because what Mr. Powell is going to say really could move the market one direction or another very, very quickly. But in addition to the Fed meeting, which was phenomenal for rates, really kind of reset things back into kind of the positive direction, and we saw rates come down after that, and the market get better. But in addition to that, we also had the jobs report today. Now, the jobs report, as you guys know, in the beginning of this year, that was a big problem because there were so many new jobs created, and that was becoming an issue for the Fed, as that was something they were really, really, really watching. They really wanted to get unemployment numbers up. Yes, unemployment numbers up, because if there's more unemployment, there's less demand. If there's less demand, lower inflation. And so the jobs report came out today, and it came out showing way less jobs created than expected, which was another positive factor for rates this week. So we saw rates improve a little bit today as well. So overall, the trend where rates were going up over the last few weeks, we really broke that trend, and now it looks like we're either going to stabilize and be in this range or start coming down again. Now, as you guys know, with interest rates in the market right now, anything can change it. It's super volatile, but overall, very positive week for rates, as rates now move from the mid sevens to the low sevens, and hopefully over the next few weeks into the high sixes again. So there you have it. That is your weekly rate update. If there's anything we can do for you, let us know. Otherwise, until next time, have a good one.